In this video, I'm going to take you for a walk along West Cliff Drive out of Santa Cruz. So I dropped my daughters off at the boardwalk for a day of rides, which I'm really bummed I'm not doing the rides today. I love them just as much as they do, but instead Lance and I are taking this walk straight from the boardwalk along West Cliff Drive, and it is so spectacular. First surfer on the wave has the right of way. Paddle around wave, not through it. Hang on to your board, help other surfers. By Sam Reed. Looks like a lot of people lost their lives here. This is the Santa Cruz Surfing Museum and the old lighthouse. An electric beach cruiser. Look on these cool rocks. There's a little bit of everything. There's a variety of pelicans. There's seagulls. There's cormorants. So cool. The entire walk along the bluffs of the ocean with mustard, sour grass, and ice plant flowers just coloring up the bluffs. I mean, it really is amazing. There's lots of seals, surfers, sailboats, and I just want to keep walking. I've already gone a few miles and I know I've got to go back, but for now I'm just going to keep going. I've never seen so many VW bugs, VW vans, and just vans in general as I have parked along this little coastal walk. Lots of sea anemones. So all along this walk, there's these little trails that come from the sidewalk out along the bluffs. How's that for a private little cove? Okay, so everywhere I look, on this walk and on this day, people are having fun. What a fun place. At Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, everybody has a good time. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And check out my memoir titled Wildflower, A Tale of Transcendence. Ciao for now.